Like one coming around the corner, the other one's still on the other side of the house.
The front or back?
And the back side, I think the officer should be with him now.
This is Frank, we got two in the backyard of 8649.
Two in the backyard of 8649, Gilbert.
Guardy 1 to K9, just watch out for the crossfire there.
Hey, Frank.
They're taking two in custody. They're going to have to walk them out on the north side of this house, probably the north side of 8647. Have a couple of units out there on Delridge to meet them, please.
Need a couple units on the north side of 8647.
Frank, one around.
Frank, left. We got two.